Hi guys, good morning. I'm filming from a hike this morning. We tried hiking last night. I'll insert a clip now of what the hike started like. Hi guys, so I'm filming from a hike today. We have arrived to Lago de Susi, I think it's called. No. What is it called again?
Alpe de Susi.
Oh, Alpe de Susi. It's called Alpe de Susi, not Lago. Alpe de Susi, and sorry, I'm just walking to a tree to take a picture. And yeah, we're just hiking for today, and then I think we're going to look for a campsite because it's currently 4 o'clock, and then we couldn't find anything. We couldn't find the spot that we wanted, so I hope it looks great for you guys. In the camera, we're just, what time is it actually? We woke up at 6 this morning and it's now 8:30. We've been hiking for like an hour. So we're going to take a few pictures here, a few reels. It looks great actually. I don't know if you can see it because I can't see myself in the screen, but it's amazing. The sun's rising just above the mountains anytime now. And the little huts and the curves inside the ground looks amazing. The sun is just rose above the mountain and you can see all the dents in the ground and it looks amazing. It's got a little bit of ice on the grass as well, so it makes it much more better. Once the sun's hit the mountain top, it's literally the best. We are now on the bay. We are now on the way back to the car. We have now arrived back at the car and we're gonna pack up and we're gonna go down the mountain a little bit and make some breakfast. Hi guys, so we're just in the car, came to one car park and reorganizing the car and ventilating our tent box. I honestly don't think we're going to go anywhere. We're just fixing up the tent box because the insulation, like the insulation bit that you can see there, it was hanging off the roof, so we had to somehow fix it and we managed to fix it. So now we're taking our time and we might stay here in this parking just for another night. Actually, let me show you what it looks like inside now.
Hello people! Looks good, eh? Plenty of headroom, you can put stuff here if you want. Very good. Here you go. Oh, you bring pillows. Dankeschön. Which one is my one?
The other one.
The other one?
Yeah.
Which is the other one? The
first one.
The thin one.
The thin one.
Here you go, potato head.
And then we have to climb down the ladder every single day to get down. We use one of these in our tent to prevent condensation and mold. I still feel like it gets a bit condensated inside, do you not?
Huh?
Do you think it gets a bit like condensation inside?
Inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
We decided to stay in the car park that we slept last night in. We are taking it easy today and not going anywhere else. So we're going to cook some lunch/dinner because it's quite late. It's about 5 o'clock now. And then we're going to go to another location. And then, yeah, we're going to have early breakfast and then we're going to have food when we get there. Well, probably all you can hear is the water down just behind me. So, yeah, so let's cook some breakfast breakfast. Let's cook some food and then just chill till tomorrow. Right, so I'm cooking spaghetti with tomato sauce and cheese today. So I'm using linguine. That's my favourite one and it cooks really well. Then we're going to add some tomatoes. I bought some baby ones on the vines. Then I'm going to use, I don't know, this was in the lemon section, but I think it's a lime or a lemon that's not ripe yet. But I'm going to squeeze half of lemon in here. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And then some olive oil that I bought from Aldi or Lidl. I don't know if this is... oh, Lidl. Olive oil, and that's it. That's my salad. Let me just put everything away so we have some space when we eat. Also, let me know if you like some cooking videos. If you like what I'm doing here, let me know and I can make some more cooking videos for you because I do cook every day. So also, clean the table a little bit. So we've got the salad here. I'm going to eat and drink some juice. We've got from Spa. We've got the salt everywhere. And then I'm going to use this tomato sauce that I found and mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to put some basil as well on top of the spaghetti. I'll show you everything when it's ready. And we are ready to serve. It looks amazing.